first time I used the M18 fuel multi-tool, I was blown away.
The speed was most apparent when we were cutting really old hardwood. It cut through it like it was a brand new piece of pine.
The power on the M18 fuel oscillating tool is good and efficient.
I couldn't believe the power and the speed that it had behind it. From wood to nails, it just cut no problem.
With the vibration on the M18 oscillating multi-tool is noticeably different than any other multi-tool out there. You can run it for an entire day and your hands aren't shaking at the end of the day.
The vibration was just really low, really minimal. Whenever I made turns or cuts, it didn't jump up at me, it just kept going straight wherever it needed to go.
Once you really start pushing in, you normally feel that vibration, especially metal. I really didn't feel that much vibration compared to others.
Once you start making your cut, the auto feature comes on and it actually really increases the speed of the cuts.
It helps me be more productive throughout the day. The M18 oscillating multi-tool is much quicker, easier to maneuver, and more efficient than any other.
For a cordless multi-tool, Milwaukee fuel is hands down the best in the game.